What's up, my G? You gonna fire the weed or what, Son Millie? Huh? I wonder what this chick saying at the front. Is that Spanish? Or what? It's French? De Museo de Harry Fraud. Watch.
La música de Harry Fraud.
Oh, my bad. She said, da música. Chill. It's going down like this here, man. OG run, see him up in this bitch, man. Niggas can't do what I do, I promise you, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be careful on your shit, player. Feel me? See, I do my shit at real, straight off the dome, man. Ain't no practicing this shit. This shit live, fool. Yeah. Shout out to Harry Fraud, man. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Son Millie is in here with me, man. You know what I'm talking about? What's up, Opelousas? Yeah. What's up, New Orleans? Chill. Shit, the whole booth, man. Do it like this here for my nigga Curren, man, one time.
Never Die Corporation.
What up, Spitter?
Shipping that lamb to the crib. They shipping that lamb to
Chopped Stars.
They shipping that lamb to the crib while I'm on tour. When I get off of this bus, it's gonna be pedal to the floor. For a nigga even step foot through the door, it's gonna be laughing that hoe low. Fool, I ain't got time for no bitches, but I do got a Rolex where my loans ending. A house on my wrist, a car on each pinky. I got all of this from laughing at them lanes while I'm rolling up my sticky. Lightning struck again, jet life. Niggas always rewriting history. Fools hear our verses and rewrite their shit they scribbling. Bitches see my bitches and consider wine women. I pulled up drunk talking shit in the lobby of my building. Push the button in the elevator, took it straight to the. Push the button in the elevator, took it straight to the. Push the button in the elevator, took it straight to the ceiling. Doors open in the living room, that's penthouse pimping. Yeah, girl, I get it. I'd advise you to play your position before you see another hole in your jersey trying to score 30. You heard me? A nigga been focused since I said hi to. We higher than the Eiffel. You suckers is like fool. Who designed you? Nigga, I was built to make sure this sucker shit get killed. Homie, I'm a well big motherfucking fish. Of course you gon' see an ocean where I live. Of course if I rolled it, that's top shelf him. Of course you got them Jordans on trying to impress him. Titties out when I fall in, bring the whole city out. I did it for Slim. Yeah, like, yeah. Life.
Purple cigarette boats. Boys roll up some, man. Pull up a buddy club.
Type shit.
No aces, man.
Have a driver for this. Type shit you ride on to.
Shit you ride to.
Cars to park, bitches to break, walls to start. I'm still living my life. Yeah, all those stars, way out here, it's only us, dawg. Undetected by radar. Closed circuit track endurance laps race cars. Undetected by radar. Closed circuit track endurance laps race cars. Undetected by radar. Closed circuit track endurance laps race cars. You niggas just say y'all doing that shit. I been into it, nigga. Play ball, junior varsity, don't want no parts of me. Triple O, I just drive like that to protect my brands. I ain't slow. 10 years by the check, you see how fast it go. That drug dealer flow, George Gervin, ice cold. Finger roll with that pen, I turn that paper into gold. Axle rolls through the bowls, and my rolls through the concrete. You see a roll, still rolls. Counted up $1 million for that sun rolls. Spitting game for the range, dropping tracks for the racks. In the booth for the crib, with the boat doctors in the back. With them automated gates, remote controls in my lap. 84 riding, I did that my life was, yeah. It's more money to get, car, bitches to break. Walls stalled, I'm still living my life. There are no stars, way out here, it's only us, dawg.
Way out here, you can feel the ambiance. $100,000 V's bottles of Dom Perignon. Keep the profit of the bricks you popped your cherry on. White CL Benz dealing, I throw my cherry on. I think about money, yeah, a lot of money. I'm speaking lotto money, Abu Dhabi money. Same old stoner, yeah, I'm blowing loud. We grow weed, but I could exhale and grow loud. You ain't real high, you mid-level. Smoking on that shit, we let the kids pepper. You ain't real high, you mid-level. Smoking on that shit, we let the kids pepper. You ain't real high, you mid-level. Smoking on that shit, we let the kids pepper. I made a couple M's off what them kids pedal. Speak on my name wrong. Speak on it, kids metal. Bet you. Blasphemy, it's a blasphemy. Say the realest nigga alive. I think you asked for me. I'm jet setting with my niggas spitter. We like to speak paper.
You talkative, chatty K to Ed Simps. I'm on this boss and my homie just came home. He got a corner office in this empire I constructed brick by brick. This rap hustling, tennis shoes, t-shirts, lunch boxes. Fuck it. If it could be sold, then let's do it. If it could be sold, we gon' move it. I got the driveway to prove it. Crazy high, but I'm not stupid. Bloodhound, the weather loot is. Bring my homies straight.
Hold up. You need more time to roll up, player. Yeah. Need more time to pull up.
Like,
yeah. The pussy got a Harry Fraud. That's my shit, man. Chill.
Life.
Jet life, fool. We in the clouds.
Type shit. You need to have a driver for this.
Some tight shit, Harry Fraud.
Type shit you ride home to.
Real talk.
Yeah. Niggas too talkative. Chatty K to Ed Simps, I'm on this boss and my homie just came. Niggas too talkative. Chatty K to Ed Simps, I'm on this boss and my homie. Niggas too talkative. Chatty K to Ed Simps, I'm on this boss and my homie just came home. He got a corner office in this empire I constructed brick by brick. This rap hustling, tennis shoes, t-shirts, lunch boxes. Fuck it. If it could be sold, then let's do it. If it could be sold, we gon' move it. I got the driveway to prove it. Crazy high, but I'm not stupid. Bloodhound, the weather loot is. Bring my homie straight to it. My bitches getting high to the music. music. My gangster bros before me show me exactly how to do it. My bitches getting high to the music. My gangster bros before me show me exactly how to do it. My bitches getting high to the music. My gangster bros before me show me exactly how to do it. You only gon' get out it whatever you put into it. So I go extra to make sure my shit come leather. The sunroof, the carbon fiber, Alcantara, whatever. Navigation, Bluetooth, all kind of shit I never use. Sitting in that skyline, the style of a stockbroker. Storytelling, weed slinging, pot smoker, revolutionary rolling Chevy till I fall over. Told them, bury me a G and let my mama have the cheese. Though I never die, cause the music living in the streets. That's all that matters to me. Cause it's something real, ain't real. Them hoes just fucking me cause of that deal. These niggas live life with you till they get jealous and get killed. I'm just riding, smoking, praying that the Lord keep them away. And we keep getting this money cause we legends in the making. I'm saying,
Hey, scoot back, player. Move back a little bit.
Yeah.
Let us see you when I'm coming. Feel me? Yeah. Riding on glass.
Riding on mirrors. Help them suck ass niggas see it clear. See yourself, watch us get richer. Me and my nigga Dizza. Riding on mirrors. Riding on mirrors. Help them suck ass niggas see it clear. See yourself, riding on mirrors. Help them suck ass niggas see it clear. See yourself, watch us get richer. Me and my nigga Dizza, riding on mirrors. 100 for a yacht, smoking out the state room, make room for a nigga. 100 for a yacht, smoking out the state room, make room for a nigga. 100 for a yacht, smoking out the state room, make room for a nigga bigger than the block. 100 for a yacht, smoking out the state room, make room for a nigga bigger than the block. Fans taking pictures, inquisitive, interested in how I make my living from this. Ballin' and chillin', pencilin', pimpin'. Two of my bottom bitches write the rhymes, write my name on the checks that I sign. It's roll-out time, Windex the windows in my mind. And let the ones who understand see what's going on inside. Only share with those worth they weight in gold. Gotta be in the know, really know though. You know my bitch eyes slanted, Yoko, dreaded, hide up, peace signs in my photos. Hair wearing the family crest. Baby girl, you clearly rockin' with the best. Eulogize when I arrive, for I'm fresh to death. Riding on mirrors, help you suck ass niggas see it clear. Riding on mirrors, help you suck ass niggas see it clear. See yourself, watch us getting richer. Me and my nigga Dizza, riding on mirrors. Riding on mirrors, help you suck ass niggas see it clear. See yourself, watch us getting richer. Me and my nigga Dizza, riding on mirrors.
Jet lifing on these bitches like I'm poster. Rugby bandana, wrap my head up like the holster. And I ain't banging no, I'm banging hoes. Bitches suck and swallow like they trying to find an antidote. Niggas be frontin', acting mad for real. Till you slide they main squeeze, have a mad for real. Niggas be frontin', acting mad for real. Till you slide they main squeeze, have a mad for real. Niggas be frontin', acting mad for real. Till you slide they main squeeze, have a mad for real. Weak bladders, I be pissing them off. Cause payback is more of a bitch if your bitch is involved. Classic low on my 97 pennies, this my vintage fit. Think it's Christmas, how big tree lit out, no roller filler center shit. This fucking hash tasting sweeter than some cinnamon sticks. Had you fidgeted, then put you out real sinister. More onions, I need more hundreds. Posers don't want it, they mallows most want it. We all know you ain't really that guy. You don't even be inhaling, you be faking a high. Fried.
Riding on mirrors, help you suck ass niggas see it clear. See yourself, watch us getting richer. Me and my nigga Dizza, riding on mirrors. Yeah.
What's up to my nigga Dizza, man? What? Fuck with your boy G. Going down like you see him, man, Chopped up, not slopped up. You know how we do it in the dirty south, man. You know what I'm talking about? You gonna stay on the fold, man. You know what I'm talking about? Stay shined up. Yeah, see the most. Currency. Harry Fraud Chopped Slopped.
La música de Harry Fraud.
Yeah.
La música.
Money in the flow, case they kicking the door.
The Harry Fraud. Hold up. Hey, look here, man.
Life.
Boys riding around with that sloppy shit, man. Take that shit out your dick, out your iPod, your computer, whatever that shit is, man. I promise you.
Life.
You wonder why your shit don't work right, nigga. That's why, 'cause you got that sloppy shit in your shit. You feel me, man?
Life.
Yeah. Jet life, nigga. Chop stars. Talk to him, baby.
La música de Harry Fraud.
That's my shit.
Yeah. Money in the flow, case they kicking the door. Life. Man, wrapped in the wall, case they bring dogs. Life. The fuck you thought? That ain't the super sport package, the fuck you bought. I don't plan on being in the police chase, but if I do, homes, I doubt that I get caught. I had some guilt work done, headers cam, exhaust, parked outside of my phone. That's my getaway car, easy access, top off. With the push button start, you know, dog. Money in the flow, case they kick on dog. Saran wrapped in the wall, case they bring all dogs. Money in the flow, case they kick on dog. Saran wrapped in the wall, case they bring all dogs. We can brag like this, long as we slang raps like this. Make that paper stack like. And we can make crack like this, as long as we slang raps like. Make that paper stack like. From my label, the grind major player, investigators, agitated. But this is legal paper that we making, show us dope being sold. And yeah, we the ones selling audio keys, the price go down if you cop heavy. Them motherfuckers rushing, they cook up, they shit not ready. We wait until it's perfect to mix it down and then we serve it. The ones who sleeping on it don't deserve it. Money in the flow, case they kick down. Saran in the wall, case they bring down. Money in the flow, case they kick down. Life. Saran wrap in the wall, case they bring down.
Spitter.
And we can make crack like this, as long as we slang raps like this. Make that paper stack like life.
The música de Harry Fraud. Can this chick say my name? The música de Ronci. Y'all was want to get chopped up, man, not slapped up like these niggas do it to you, boy. Just holler at me. The Chop Stars. ChopNotSlap.com. It's going down. 713-903-6222. That ain't my number either. That niggas be calling, hey, OG Ron, see that motherfucker? Hell nah, nigga. That's my manager number.